little video that I did on framing. I asked my friend and intern at the TV station that I work at, Chris, to help me out with this, so that's why there's a person sitting there, and it looks like she's talking to somebody, not really saying anything because she's talking to me. This is just a real quick video on, like I said, framing, and a couple of do's and don'ts, what to watch out for, and what to look for. So hope this helps. Bye. So this first one here is an example of having way too much headroom. Notice up above her head there's a lot of space, and out in front of her there's just a whole bunch of empty area, and it kind of doesn't make it real clear if you should be looking at what's behind her or at her. The next one we have is what you would call squeezing. Out in front of her you see that the camera is basically like pushed up against her face, and there's a bunch of room behind her. This is what's called lack of talking room. You want to get the camera out in front of her just a little bit, but not too far like you saw in the clip before this, and give her a little bit more talking room, and it'll look a lot easier and a lot more comfortable. Here's an example of exactly what you should be shooting. There's not too much headroom up above. There's a little tiny bit behind her. You could even squeeze her on the back end just a little bit more, but out in front there's plenty of talking room. The camera's not shoved up against her face, and it's nice and comfortable, and there's not too much room there. This next shot here is a medium shot. There's just a little bit too much headroom here, but I wanted to show you guys how even in a medium shot like this, there's still talking room that is necessary, and you still need the proper framing. You need to have the camera positioned to the direction that she is facing. Okay, next here is more of a two-shot. It's kind of a semi-profile shot, but again, even though we're pretty tight on her, we still have plenty of talking room out in front. It's not smashed up against her face, and there's still plenty of room for her to speak and to move within the frame, and everything's not all cramped. Okay, first up, and just a quick review, here we go. We have way too much headroom, way too much talking room. Second, we have not enough talking room, bad just all around. And here's an example of exactly what you guys should be shooting for. This is not too much headroom, not too much talking room. It's nice framing, it's comfortable, and it doesn't feel like you have the camera smashed up against her face. So anyway, hope that helps. Okay, that was it. I know it's real short and sweet, not insanely exciting, but hopefully that helps you guys understand a bit better about how to frame stuff properly, what to watch out for, and different styles of framing that you can use that are still good, and of course those naughty ones you want to watch out for. So hope this helps. Anyway, click over there, subscribe, add me as a friend. See ya.